Hello everyone out there in Fiverrland. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Ellen and I can provide a voiceover using an all-American female narration. Whatever your needs are, big or small, I am happy to give you a high-quality performance. Just provide me with a script and let me know the character style you are looking for, and I will do the rest. Have a great day and I hope to work with you soon.
Looking to get your annual photo with Santa? Skip the lines at the mall and create holiday memories with your family at Dollar Energy Fund's Santa Skate for Warmth. Join us on Thursday, December 10th for a family-friendly skate night at the UPMC Lemieux Sports Complex in Cranberry Township. Tickets include photos with Santa, skate rental, refreshments, a visit from Pittsburgh Penguins mascot Iceberg, and more. For tickets, visit dollarenergy.org/SantaSkate. All proceeds will be used to help your neighbors in need afford basic utility services. We hope to see you there.